Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be showing you how to make soup with deer roast and deer backstrap. Right now I have some bacon sauteing in here.
Cooking.
Sauteing.
Cooking.
Sauteing. Whatever you call it. Gotta cook it around. And the reason why I'm doing that, and I put some butter in there, because it gives it good flavor. It just makes everything nice, and it gives it bacon flavor if you like bacon. I love bacon. The potatoes, carrots, she took the celery to wash.
So I'm washing them.
Those are all going to go into the bacon and grease. Bacon grease and butter, and it's going to saute all together. So like that. Yeah, she got to cook them up. I'm going to put this on medium.
And the leaves are okay to put in there too. So.
Okay. Is that really?
Bye for now.
Here we are cutting up the deer roast. We already got the deer backstrap in. I'm trying to cut them up into small pieces. Here's the deer backstrap. And here comes some more meat. Right now you gotta cook, let this cook in the bacon grease and the butter. These carrots.
Huh?
They're sweet carrots.
Oh yeah, they are.
Okay, the soup is finally done. And we have Zak and Kerry to taste test it. Let's see if I was a good chef. I mean, yeah, you're not in it. Elena.
I'm insistent. I should be.
You're not insistent, you're just a vegetable shopper. That's what you are. Zak, Kerry, taste testers. Oh, that's hot soup. You grab the other one. Now, you have salt and pepper. All the stuff, if you need it. Okay. And make sure it's cold. You want it cold. It will taste bad. Well, we didn't taste that yet, but yeah, it's hot right now. You gotta like blow on it. I'll go get ice cubes.
Wait, you guys can wait until we get ice cubes. Just
So,
what do you think about?
2 ice cubes. Wow.
What do you think about the soup, Zak?
Can't really taste because it's very hot. Need more pepper. A little more salt.
What about you?
I never taste it.
Putting a little salt and pepper on it. Suspicious.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some of your water.
A lot of
Hey.
If you need more ice cubes, then just tell me.
I don't need ice cream. My ice cream's gone. My ice cream.
What do you guys think?
I like the tomato. I like potatoes. Oh!
Who wants the small one? Who wants the big one?
The big one. Hey!
Okay, Zak said first.
So, I like the potatoes.
Yes, my potatoes are always soft.
I like potatoes too. The potatoes are so soft and squishy, and when I'm with broth, it tastes very good. Now I'm tasting the celery.
He's a slapper here.
Okay. I'll take some. I don't pull off it.
Have you tasted the meat yet?
Hey! A little seasoning.
What do you think about it?
Okay. Stab you, potato. Stab you. These. Oh, kind of. The celery.
Actually like a steak potato soup.
The celery is kind of not good.
Okay. Criticizing me?
Well, it makes you feel better. It tastes a lot better with carrots. After you put carrots in there.
I did.
Yeah, I said lucky.
Yeah.
Now I'm touching the steak.
Carrie's just over here, just enjoying being a taste tester, but not much saying anything.
Savage.
Meat is disgusting. I like this broth with the steak.
Carrie's not really a meat eater.
The
Look at
broth is not
vegetarian.
very good. The broth is not very good. The broth is not very good. But when you mix it with the steak, it's kind of good. Better. What? Actually, it's good. The steak is good. You put leaf in there.
So you guys give it a thumbs up?
Maybe.
Actually, that is a salad.
I know.